Welcome to CoreAI, a Unity framework for building AI-powered game agents that can understand instructions, control the scene, and create gameplay behavior in real time. In this demo, I'm using a small local AI model for a lightweight offline workflow. For more complex game logic, CoreAI can be used with ChatGPT API. First, it creates the arena. Then, it places the crystal that must be protected. Next, it creates a defender and adds 3 enemies on the opposite side. Now CoreAI is turning simple instructions into the animated gameplay behavior. The agent also remembers information about the game world. Now I switch the model without resetting the agent. The model changed, but the context and game state remained intact. CoreAI can support advanced reasoning, larger workflows, and richer game logic. CoreAI, one game world, many AI models.